In the heart of Disney's Animal Kingdom, a team of brave young explorers set off on a wild mission. Not to ride every ride, but to uncover the wonders of the wilderness, one animal at a time. They were ready to earn badges, meet animals, and discover some epic surprises along the way. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more magical family adventures. Now let's go exploring. Isabelle, Ariel, and baby Danielle set out on a wild expedition. Their goal, to become real wilderness explorers. Their journey began with a promise. An explorer is a friend to all, be it plants or fish or tiny mole. At the first Wilderness Explorer stop, they learned how the program works. Meet a guide, learn something cool, do an activity, and earn a badge. Well, okay, a sticker, but trust me, it feels like a trophy. And exploring doesn't just mean observing. Sometimes it means dancing along as animals sing and monkeys do flips. At Festival of the Lion King, we roared with Simba, bleeped like a giraffe, and watched acrobatic tumble monkeys soar through the air. It's the kind of show that makes even grown-ups grin from tusk to tusk. Speaking of family animal fun, we've got the perfect animal-themed family night for you on our Patreon, where you're gonna have a movie night with Zootopia or Lion King. So check it out in the link in the description below. Back on the trail, our explorers visited animal outposts tucked into every corner of the park. In Asia, we found a real-life dragon, but don't worry, she didn't feel like breathing fire today. In Africa, we stood face to face with mighty gorillas, the cutest little birds, and hungry hippos. At each stop, they asked questions, spotted clues, and added new badges to their growing collection. But the biggest adventure of all, a bumpy ride across the savannah on Kilimanjaro Safaris. Our safari truck rolled past giraffes munching on trees, rhinos stopping traffic, hungry-looking crocodiles, and a pride of lions lounging in the sun. It's not just a ride, it's like stepping into a real educational adventure. Like, did you know the okapi may look like they're wearing zebra pants, but they're actually related to the giraffe because of the shape of their skull. Everywhere we turned, Disney animal experts were there to guide the way. We learned that bats can eat up to 1,000 bugs an hour, how long the feather of a pheasant really is, and how to protect the homes of these beautiful animals. Each cast member added a little more magic to the journey, and each sticker in the booklet became a memory we'll treasure. And while we didn't have time to catch everything, there are two more hidden gems we have to mention. One is Feathered Friends in Flight Show. It's a hilarious and fascinating bird show that's equal parts comedy and discovery. You'll laugh, you'll learn, and you might even get dive bombed by an owl in the best way possible. And for another adventure, hop on the Wildlife Express train to Rafiki's Planet Watch. It's a peaceful ride in a hidden part of the park where sometimes you can watch real animal care in action, explore hands-on exhibits, learn to draw a favorite character, and even chat with a Disney veterinarian. Totally worth a trip, but you might want to allow at least an hour and a half to explore. At the end of our journey, our explorers had earned over a dozen badges and discovered a whole new side of Animal Kingdom. Because here, the adventure isn't just about thrills, it's about wonder, learning, and connecting with God's beautiful creations. And it won't cost you anything extra. And as fun as this is, you probably won't be able to get every badge in a single day. But this is still a great, engaging activity that will help your kids learn new things while having fun exploring. And you get to take it home to learn more. So if you've got a kid, or maybe just a kid at heart, who loves animals and adventure, grab a booklet, find your first badge stop, and let the wilderness exploration begin. Adventure is out there. Thanks for joining us on our Wilderness Explorer adventure. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more magical family memories. And leave a comment sharing your favorite animal. Me, I love sea turtles. And let me know any questions you have about this experience. And remember, the wilderness must be explored. Caw, caw, roar.